Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share an extraordinary story with you, one that will inspire, motivate, and leave you in awe. Let me ask you, have you ever known someone so brilliant and ahead of their time that their ideas could reshape the entire world? If this incredible individual were alive today, he would surely transform the way we live. His thoughts were so innovative, so revolutionary, that most people couldn't grasp their significance. Yet, despite the doubts and challenges he faced, he never wavered. He pursued his dreams with unwavering determination, proving that greatness cannot be held back. Let's talk about Nikola Tesla, a true genius. His inventions were far ahead of his time. As we explore his life, we'll also learn some new English words and lessons. So, stay with me and enjoy the story. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in a small village called Smiljan, in what is now Croatia. His father, Milutin Tesla, was a priest, and his mother, Duka Tesla, was a housewife. Even though Duka never went to school, she was very smart and creative. She invented tools to make housework easier. Tesla often said he got his intelligence and creativity from his mother. She taught him to think in unique ways and solve problems. From a young age, Tesla was curious about the world. He loved science and nature. At just 5 years old, he tried to build a water wheel to create energy. It didn't work, but it made him wonder how things worked. One evening, while petting his cat, he saw tiny sparks coming from its fur. This was his first experience with electricity, even though he didn't realize it at the time. Tesla had an older brother, Dane, who was very talented and admired by everyone. Sadly, Dane died in a horse-riding accident when Tesla was only 7 years old. This tragedy made Tesla quieter, and he spent most of his time reading and experimenting. Tesla was an excellent student. He could memorize books and solve tough math problems in his head. His teachers were amazed by him, but he worked so hard that it sometimes made him sick. In high school, Tesla developed a deep fascination with electricity. The idea of harnessing its power to drive machines and illuminate entire cities consumed his thoughts. He imagined a world where electricity could be used in ways no one had ever dreamed of before. One day, while flipping through a book, Tesla came across a stunning picture of Niagara Falls. It sparked something in him. He turned to his teacher and said, "I'll use this to make electricity one day." His classmates, overhearing his bold statement, burst into laughter, mocking his ambition. But Tesla didn't care. He believed in his vision so strongly that nothing, not even ridicule, could shake his determination. In that moment, he saw a future full of possibilities, and he knew that, one day, he would make his dream a reality. Tesla went to the Austrian Polytechnic School to study engineering. He was so dedicated that he often studied for 20 hours a day. Once, his professor showed a motor and said it couldn't be improved. Tesla confidently said, "I can make a better one." The professor laughed, but Tesla started imagining how to improve it. Tesla faced many struggles during his studies. He worked so hard that he had a breakdown. His family couldn't send him money, and he felt a lot of pressure. Even so, Tesla kept going. One night, while walking in a park, Tesla suddenly imagined a new type of motor. It didn't need brushes or wires to work. This idea became the basis for his most famous invention, the alternating current AC motor. In 1884, when Tesla was 28, he moved to New York City. He had no money, barely knew anyone, and didn't speak much English. But he had big dreams. Tesla met Thomas Edison, a famous inventor, and shared his ideas. Edison asked him to improve his DC system and promised $50,000 if he succeeded. Tesla worked hard and made it better. But when he asked for the money, Edison laughed and said it was a joke. Tesla felt betrayed but didn't lose hope. Tesla believed AC electricity was better than DC because it could travel longer distances. But many people didn't believe in AC. For a while, Tesla struggled to find someone to support his idea. He even took small jobs like digging ditches just to survive. In 1888, Tesla met George Westinghouse, a businessman who believed in him. Westinghouse gave Tesla the money and support he needed to work on AC. This started the war of the currents between Tesla's AC and Edison's DC. Edison tried to show that AC was dangerous, but Tesla proved it was safe. In 1893, Tesla and Westinghouse lit up the World's Fair in Chicago using AC electricity. This was a huge success and showed that AC was the future. 2 years later, Tesla built the first hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls. His childhood dream had come true, and cities began using AC electricity. Nikola Tesla worked late into the night because he loved discovering new ideas. His inventions were so advanced that many people didn't understand them. For example, he imagined a system to send wireless communication around the world, what we now call the Internet. But back in the late 1800s, this idea sounded like something from a science fiction story. Tesla also dreamed of giving free energy to everyone. He built a tower in New York, called Wardenclyffe, to send electricity without wires. Sadly, the project ran out of money, and the tower was never finished. Tesla was more than just an inventor. He was a visionary who thought deeply about the mysteries of the universe. One of his most famous ideas was about the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed these numbers could hold the secrets to the universe. Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." Tesla loved finding patterns in nature, math, and energy. He thought everything in the universe could be explained by numbers. To him, 3 meant creation, 6 stood for balance, and 9 represented enlightenment. He believed these numbers made up a powerful trio that controlled the universe. He also noticed something interesting in math. If you keep doubling numbers like 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on, you get a pattern. If you add the digits, like 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, you get a sequence of 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. But 3, 6, and 9 are missing from this pattern. Tesla thought these numbers were on a higher level of energy. Tesla also found interesting patterns in circles. A circle has 360 degrees, and if you add 3 plus 6 plus 0, it equals 9. No matter how you divide a circle, the angles always add up to 3, 6, or 9. Tesla believed these numbers were special because they appeared everywhere in nature, from atoms to galaxies. Tesla applied his 3, 6, and 9 theory to energy and vibrations. He believed the universe worked by frequencies and called 3, 6, and 9 the master frequencies. He said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Today, many people use Tesla's 3, 6, 9 method to help them focus on their goals. The method is simple. Write your goal 3 times in the morning. Write it 6 times in the afternoon. Write it 9 times at night. For example, if you want to speak English fluently, you can write, "I am a confident English speaker." By focusing on your goal, people believe they can bring what they want into their lives. Tesla's fascination with numbers continues to inspire people around the world. His ideas remind us to look for patterns, trust the universe, and dream big. Tesla once said, "The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries." What can we learn from Tesla's life? Think beyond the limits. Tesla wasn't afraid to explore the unknown. Look for patterns. The universe is full of hidden connections waiting to be discovered. Believe in possibilities. Tesla believed in the power of thought, energy, and numbers. Tesla never married. He believed relationships would take away from his work. He admired women for their strength and intelligence, but chose to stay single. Once, he said, "I don't think you can name many great inventions made by married men." Tesla also loved animals, especially pigeons. In his later years, he would feed pigeons every day in the park. One white pigeon was very special to him. Tesla said, "I love that pigeon as a man loves a woman, and she loved me. As long as I had her, I had a purpose in my life." When the pigeon died, Tesla felt like his life had lost its meaning. Tesla gave away the rights to many of his inventions to help others, leaving him with very little money. In his last years, he lived alone in a small hotel room in New York City. On January 7, 1943, Tesla passed away at the age of 86. He died with little money or recognition, but after his death, the world began to understand the importance of his work. Tesla's inventions helped shape the world we live in today. The Tesla unit, used to measure magnetic fields, is named after him. The electric car company Tesla is also named in his honor. What can we learn from Tesla's life? Follow your passion. Tesla cared more about making a difference than about fame or money. Overcome challenges. Despite many struggles, Tesla never gave up on his dreams. Dream big. Tesla wanted to change the world, and he inspires us to do the same. Be true to yourself. Tesla lived his life in his own way, always focused on his dreams. Tesla's story is a powerful reminder that true success isn't about how much money you make or how famous you become. It's about the positive impact you leave on the world. While Tesla may not have experienced the wealth or recognition he deserved during his lifetime, his inventions and ideas continue to shape the world today. His work laid the groundwork for modern electricity, wireless communication, and many technologies that have improved our lives. If you ever feel like giving up, think about Nikola Tesla. He faced rejection from many people, lived much of his life in loneliness, and encountered countless challenges. But through it all, he stayed true to his vision, believing in his dreams even when the world didn't understand him. He showed us that success isn't always immediate, and sometimes the most groundbreaking ideas take time to be recognized. Tesla never stopped pursuing his passion, and neither should you. When things get tough, remember Tesla's perseverance. He worked tirelessly, never letting failure stop him. His story teaches us that setbacks are part of the journey, and they don't define us. Keep pushing forward, even when things don't seem to go your way. You are capable of achieving great things if you continue to dream big, stay focused, and never give up. In our own lives, we can apply Tesla's principles, dream boldly, trust in our ideas, and continue moving forward even when the road is difficult. Like Tesla, you may not always see immediate results, but your hard work will eventually pay off. And just like his contributions have shaped the world, your own efforts can leave a lasting legacy. Thank you for watching. If Tesla's story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more motivational and inspiring content. Let's keep pursuing our dreams together. See you in the next video.